Hello, Assalamu alaikum, all of you. This is MD Pranto Ali. Do you know about this? Tiny sense, remarkable results. What is the meaning of this sentence? The sentence Bangla meaning is ছোট পরিবর্তন অসাধারণ ফলাফল. Let's go to discuss about the sentence full meaning. So, the sentence is tiny sense, remarkable results. What is the full meaning? This sentence. Actually, if you want to do something, you just need everyday tiny sense. No need to do big sense. Like you want to learn something, you must today better than tomorrow and tomorrow better than next tomorrow. Try to increase. This is the sentence meaning. So, but what do? You want to learn something just one day. Try to all time hard work, but it's not enough. If you like to do something, you need everyday tiny sense, very small sense every day. No need to one day very hard work. Like if you want to learn speaking English, you try to today 1 hour study, tomorrow 1 hour 30 minute study, next tomorrow 2 hour, every day increase. But you do one day 10 hour study, but next 10 days you don't study any single time. Actually, it's no make any sense. To be honest, if you want to be successful, you need and you must do tiny sense every day. This is the main key of success. Such as me, every day I am improving very tiny, very small. As a result, I can speak in English without hesitation. But before 1 year ago, sometime I study 10 hours a day. But after 10 days, 15 days, I didn't study any single time. That's why that time I couldn't speak in English. But right now, every day, I change small. As a result, I am able to speak in English. So you can understand this sentence is very small, but this is very powerful. If you want to do something, just follow this sentence. Repeat again. Tiny sense, remarkable results. That's all about today's video topic. See you in the next video. Mercy.